Hello, I'm Pizza Pete. What a busy night. Those number families are hungry. I've got to figure out which slices of pizza belong on each plate to complete the order for each number of family. Check it out. Ha ha! This one's easy. Pepperoni. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 10 minus 7 equals 3. Ha ha! Order up!
Thank you, Pizza Pete.
Okay, time to take our next order out of the oven. Okay, olives. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Oh, olive pizza. Order up. Better get that next pizza out of the oven. Let's check our pizza slices. Mushrooms. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Maybe I should have checked the order slip. I don't want to get the order wrong. Not the Pizza Pete. Okay, mushrooms. All good to go. Order up.
They all changed their minds. 3 plain cheese pizzas, please.
Oh, for Pizza's sake.
Bye, everyone. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Like.